Imagine a console that seems to have stepped straight out of a sci-fi movie. That's the PlayStation 5 for you. Futuristic design is a blend of bold and sleek elements with a striking two-tone color scheme. Unique V-shape, a first in console design, gives it an avant-garde edge. It's not just a gaming console, it's a statement piece. Size is substantial, but this only adds to its undeniable presence. The PlayStation 5's design certainly makes a bold statement. Under its futuristic shell, the PlayStation 5 packs a punch with its high-performance hardware. Nestled within is a custom AMD processor, a high-speed solid-state drive or SSD, and an advanced GPU. These aren't just fancy tech terms, they are the heart and soul of the PS5. And they make all the difference in your gaming experience. Custom AMD processor helps the PS5 deliver a level of detail and visual fidelity that's truly next-gen. Meanwhile, the high-speed SSD dramatically reduces load times. Remember those snack breaks while waiting for your game to load? Yeah, those are a thing of the past. Let's not forget the advanced GPU. It's the power behind the stunning graphics and smooth gameplay that the PS5 is known for. It's like having a mini supercomputer in your living room. With its powerful hardware, the PlayStation 5 takes gaming to new heights. The PlayStation 5's DualSense controller is not just a controller, it's a game changer. Innovative device introduces features like haptic feedback, allowing gamers to feel the tension in their actions like never before. Triggers add another layer of immersion, adjusting resistance based on in-game activities. Let's not forget the built-in microphone, a simple addition that makes a world of difference for seamless multiplayer communication. Each of these enhancements work together to provide an unparalleled gaming experience. DualSense controller is a revolution in your hands. The PlayStation 5 doesn't forget its roots, it embraces them. Backward compatibility, the PS5 opens up a vast library of PlayStation 4 games, inviting you to revisit your favorite gaming memories. It's not just about replaying, it's about enhancing. PS5 breathes new life into these classics with improved frame rates, faster load times, and sharper resolutions. It's the same games you loved, but better. Backward compatibility, your favorite games from the past are ready for the future. The PlayStation 5 is more than just a gaming console, it's a complete entertainment hub. Of the key elements that make this possible is its new and intuitive user interface. Home screen has been completely redesigned to offer a more dynamic and personalized experience. You'll find your recently played games, media apps, and news about the PlayStation community all at your fingertips. Control Center is another major highlight. It's accessible at any point during your gaming session, offering quick access to essential system functions without leaving your game. Then there are the activities, a feature that lets you jump directly into specific levels, challenges, or game moments. PlayStation 5 also integrates the PlayStation Store directly into the system, making it quicker and easier to find and purchase games or downloadable content. This user-friendly navigation and these features, the PlayStation 5's interface and features make it a breeze to navigate your gaming world. So, does the PlayStation 5 live up to the hype? Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've explored today. We kicked off with the PlayStation 5's design and build, a futuristic, sleek appearance that's quite a statement piece. It's large, sure, but that size accommodates the powerhouse that lies within. Speaking of power, the custom AMD processor, high-speed SSD, and advanced GPU combine to create some of the most impressive performance stats we've seen in a console. This hardware isn't just about numbers, it's about the tangible impact on your gaming experience. Better graphics, faster load times, and smoother gameplay. There's the DualSense controller, a piece of innovation in itself. With features like haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, and a built-in microphone, it's designed to immerse you in your gaming adventures like never before. Also touched on the backward compatibility, a feature that allows you to enjoy your PlayStation 4 games on this new console. And let's not forget the new user interface with its redesigned home screen, control center, and activities, all aimed at making your experience as user-friendly as possible. So the big question, does it live up to the hype? Well, it's safe to say that the PlayStation 5 isn't just about playing games, it's about experiencing them. With its futuristic design, powerful hardware, innovative controller, and user-friendly interface, the PlayStation 5 is indeed a game changer.